Okay, welcome back to Coding Bat. So your assignment tonight is going to be to do some project problems out of the Logic 1. So we're going to click on Logic 1. These are the easier logic problems, but there's a few that I want you to be aware of. Let's take a look at a few. Love 6. Notice that Love 6 has a bool return type, and it has ints here. So, of course, remember that when you're working with something that gives you a bool return type, what are we going to return? We're going to return either true or false. And these are working with ints here. Let's go back. Let's take a look at Tea Party. Tea Party is a little different. It has an int return type, which means, of course, we're going to be returning ints. So it says up here we're going to be returning either 0, 1, or 2. Just be aware of this. And again, our parameters that are passed into it are going to be int, two ints. Let's look at FizzString. FizzString is one of the ones that you want to avoid at this time because you're not ready to work with strings in the way that they need you to. This has a string parameter, so do not just pass on over the ones that have string parameters. We're not ready to work with those. So FizzString would not be a good one for you to do. Which one did I want to look at? Alarm clock. Alarm clock actually works. It does have string in here. It has a string return type. And that's okay, because up here we're going to be just doing our conditional statements and working with ints and bool variables, which we know how to do. And this would be actually a pretty good one for you to work on. But just remember that your return type is going to be of type string. We're going to be returning the string that looks like 7 o'clock or the string that looks like 10 o'clock. Okay, so once you've done 5 problems in here, make sure you pick them well, then you're done with the assignment. I can actually see your progress by going to my reports here and tell which ones you did and how many times it took you to get through them. And you're not done until you get all green boxes. So some of these you'll try, you'll get several times where you'll run it, compile it, and you'll get red boxes, and you just work through those. My best advice to you is just use trial and error. You can hit that go button as many times as you want. So if something's not working out, try something else. Trial and error, that's how we learn. So good luck with that. I am also going to record a third video that's going to help you with one that's a little bit more difficult. We're actually going to go through caught speeding in detail. By the way, there are a lot of problems here that are talking about squirrels smoking cigars, and it's weird, and I do apologize for that. Don't be offended by the squirrels that are smoking cigars all through here. Good luck to you.